Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share longer reels on Facebook stories. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's proceed with our tutorial. And for this video, I'm just going to follow this article that will guide us on how we can do exactly that. And here you will need to note that reels can go up to 90 seconds, but the stories can only go up to 15 seconds. And for that reason, we will need to download our reels into our device first so we can add them to the stories, and the stories feature will start uh, breaking the video into smaller sections, and it will be totally uploaded into your stories. And to do that, you will need just to go to your reels that you have onto your Instagram. You click on the reel or the share button on your main page. After that, you will go to the download option. So here in the bottom menu, you will find this download option available. You download your own reels. They will get into your um, story or into your local device, and then you will have it downloaded. Now you will want to simply go to your Facebook app and then go to the Reels, tap to the share button, and you can add the stories from there after clicking or after adding downloading the reel from Instagram and add it into your Facebook. So that way, you will be able to start having these reels that will be added into your stories, and you can share them all into your Facebook. And as you can see, there is also this share to Facebook option that would allow you to share also all your reels or your stories into uh, Facebook too. Also, there is like the automatically share content preferences that would allow you to start switching or sharing from Facebook to Instagram or sharing from Instagram to Facebook. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.